If you love that classic coffee and cocoa flavor combination, then you're going to love my grandma's tiramisu recipe. Made with pasteurized eggs for extra safety, this classic Italian dessert is simple to make yet always a showstopper. Let's get started. This is what you'll need. 300 grams Ladyfingers, 200 milliliters espresso coffee, unsweetened cocoa powder, 125 grams granulated sugar. For egg yolks at room temperature, 50 milliliters water, 500 grams mascarpone at room temperature. Start by brewing the coffee and allowing it to cool to room temperature. If desired, sweeten the coffee with 1 teaspoon of sugar. In a separate bowl, prepare the egg yolks for whipping. In a small saucepan, combine water and sugar and heat over low heat, stirring occasionally with a wooden spoon. When the sugar syrup reaches approximately 115 degrees Celsius, begin whipping the egg yolks. Once the syrup hits 121 degrees Celsius, slowly pour it into the whipped egg yolks while continuing to whip until thick, foamy, and cooled. Work the mascarpone cheese with a spatula to make it creamy. Stir the pasteurized egg yolks into the mascarpone cheese until smooth. Refrigerate the cream for 1 hour or until it thickens and is ready for assembly. Now start layering the tiramisu. Quickly soak the ladyfinger biscuits in the coffee and arrange on a tray, allowing them to absorb the coffee for 5 minutes until softened. Spread a thin layer of mascarpone cream on the bottom of a baking dish. I used a 20 by 30 centimeters baking dish. Add a layer of Savoiardi cookies or ladyfingers, then a layer of mascarpone cream and repeat the layers until using up all the ingredients, ending with the mascarpone cream. Cover and refrigerate your tiramisu for at least 3 hours. Just before serving, generously dust the top with unsweetened cocoa powder. Enjoy!